think we can do better than that. Let's get started. Oh. Nah. Didn't work. Nah, didn't work that. I tried using some pine that I'd found in a skip that was the throwaway little area. In fact, this is one of the pieces and it's still got screws in. And this is another piece that I've got, and it's just not the it's not the right wood. I do this every couple of years. I'll buy some CLS or I'll have it and I'll put it in the wood lathe, and every time it never works. It never works, and that's probably why you only see pine being used as like spindles on deckings and things like that. So I do try it every few years and it never works. So I think what I'm going to have to do is either wait and try and find some more wood, or alternatively I can turn this to be the saber part of it, and I have got a big tap and a big die that I was thinking about making a screw on, like the saber bit, sorry, the light bit, the handle I could make out of mahogany or some sort of hardwood, and I could use this as just making the basic sword that I could then use some CGI to put on if I wanted to, but it's a lot of work for, you know, a lightsaber that's going to, you know, sit in a drawer. But I do really want to make another one. I want to make a really nice quality one out of wood, and you know, that one is what I wanted to do really. I was using, admittedly, it's not the right tools for the job, these little diamond V's here. Hold on. Which is off the Myford lathe, and I've just put it in a hand clamp. To be fair, it worked. Just for making those spaces. I haven't got that many wood tools. I am tempted to make some more, but you can get a carbide wood turning chisel tip that I think would be really good for that job. But I don't really want to spend the money on a one-off job, so I don't know. So this video has been a failure. I thought we could make it better. Turns out we can, but I need to wait for some more bits. So thank you for watching. I wanted this to be an honest video. I've spent quite a bit of time doing this. It hasn't worked out. You can't win them all. I'm going to go away, do a bit more research, do a bit more looking at things, and hopefully the next video you should be able to see quite a nice looking lightsaber. So who knows? Thanks for watching. Thank you. We'll see you next time.